Good morning. Today I would be talking about corruption. So, corruption is basically taking or giving of money for personal benefits. Now, why corruption is done? It is done upon the denial of service, for personal benefits, for money mania, to hide errors, to get priority in any work, or to maintain a good relationship with the higher authorities for future benefit. Now, why how at how much extent it is spread? The obviousness actually the obviousness of corruption in any field, be it construction, be it civil services, makes us understand that how much it is spread. uh, Anyone in this country feels it normal to be corrupt and expects that the person in front of him would obviously be a corrupt man. It is so much spread that it has made a parallel economy which is hidden, unofficial, and unpredictable. Now, why it is bad? First of all, it is unethical. And secondly, by prioritizing an individual makes others unsatisfied. And also, the corrupted money does not come under the income tax, so the government cannot get tax of from it. It uh, it harms the country by an inverse square law. First of all, the government gets less money for development, and of the few money it gets, around 50% of it is consumed in corruption. So, for example, if 100 rupees has to be given for the development, only 25% is utilized in it. Now, what has government done for it to control corruption? First of all, it has established various institutions like CBI, which with highly secure with highly secure uh, connections, and secondly, an IS officer or a politician has to declare his property every year, so that his financial background can be understood. Now, what needs to be changed? First of all, first of all, more authorities should be uh, first of all first of all, institutions should be set up for lower authorities also. And secondly, loyal government agents should be put into the government service, so that they could identify the corruption from deep inside and report it secretly to the higher authorities. Thirdly, we can organize ethical camps, so that people can get knowledge that how their corruption can degrade the country. And in the constitution also, taking of corrupted money and giving of corrupted money, both are illegal. I think, in my opinion, if we can relax the giving of corrupted money, and make it and remove it from illegal offenses, so it would be easy for a person to complain about the corruption. And as a youth, it is our responsibility to control corruption, because it all starts from us. Thank you and have a nice day.